Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial. Today we're going to see how to create a shipping profile on Whatnot. First thing first, go to whatnot.com and sign in. Click on your profile icon, then from the Selling tab, go to the Seller Hub. On the left menu, click the down icon next to Shipments, then click Shipment Profiles. Now click Create Shipping Profile and fill out all the profile details, for example shipping method, flat rate, handling time, then click Publish. Once saved, this profile can be applied anytime you list an item for a live show or in your shop. If you want to edit or delete in a shipping profile, follow the simple steps above to navigate to Shipping Profiles, open the profile you want to edit or delete, and make sure the changes and click Save, or choose Delete to remove the profile completely. This allows you to reuse consistent shipping settings across multiple listings without manually entering details each time. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.